Welcome to the American Muscle Car Museum down here in beautiful sunny Melbourne, Florida. Out from the collection today we have a absolutely outstanding 1957 Chevrolet Nomad Station Wagon, done up in Matador Red. Interior is a beautiful black and red contrast. Just an iconic car. This is actually one of 93 Batwing cars produced that year. By that, it's the air cleaner on a 2.4-barrel setup on this 283 motor.
The 283 Super Turbo Fire V8 with two 4-barrel carburetors.
You had an option for transmissions. You could go with the 3-speed manual, 3-speed overdrive, or the automatic.
The transmissions, Synchromesh, Overdrive, Power Glide, and Turbo Glide.
This particular car is a 3-speed on the column. These 1957 Nomads were just, I thought, the greatest and the best looking of the 3 years, the 55, 56, and 57. And I think they kept improving. And you could actually order the fuel-injected 283 horsepower V8 in this particular car.
And here is Chevrolet's ramjet fuel injection, a dynamic engineering advance made possible today by the basic design superiorities of Chevrolet's Turbo Fire V8 engine.
With 3 on the column, that was really quick back in the day. Now, there were rumors going around that some of the guys were offered 4 speeds and stuff from some of the bigger dealers, but I personally don't know that. It's just rumor from the day. The interior of these cars were definitely Bel Air. The dash assembly, you could get all the bright aluminum down the sides of them. You could order the Wonder Bar radio. I mean, all the deluxe accessories were available for these station wagons. Once again, if you need to look up any of these cars, go to American Muscle Car Museum. Check out your favorite car. We have videos and information there. And once again, we appreciate watching.
When again the end of one more year is close at hand, and you count all the good things that you've gained along the way, perhaps the best of all the rest will be your Chevrolet. And although our show is far from being over, on behalf of your authorized Chevrolet dealer, let me wish you a very happy New Year.